Here's a detailed breakdown of the Ocean cryptocurrency, covering its purpose, technology, tokenomics, and how it differs from standard cryptocurrencies. Ocean is not a traditional cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or a smart contract platform like Ethereum. It is the native utility token of the Ocean protocol, which is a decentralized data exchange platform. Its primary purpose is to unlock data silos, particularly for artificial intelligence (AI), by creating a decentralized marketplace for data and database services. The core idea is to allow individuals and organizations to publish, share, and monetize their data while preserving privacy and control. The problem Ocean Protocol solves. The world is drowning in data, but most of it is locked away in corporate silos, for example by Google, Facebook, hospitals, sensor networks. This creates two major problems. For AI companies, a severe lack of quality, diverse data to train robust AI models. For data owners, an inability to monetize their valuable data assets without losing control and privacy. Ocean Protocol aims to be the bridge between these two parties. The protocol uses a combination of blockchain and other advanced technologies to facilitate trustless data sharing. Blockchain Foundation. Built on Ethereum, it uses smart contracts to manage access rights, transactions, and permissions in a transparent and tamper-proof way. Compute-to-Data (CTD). This is Ocean's groundbreaking feature. Instead of sharing the raw data, which risks privacy and copyright, data remains securely with the owner. Consumers can send algorithms to compute on the data within a secure sandbox environment. They receive the results, for example, an AI model trained on the data, without ever seeing the raw data itself. This preserves privacy and compliance with regulations like GDPR. Decentralized marketplace. Ocean provides the tools for anyone to launch their own data marketplace, connecting data providers and consumers directly. Data NFTs and data tokens. This is crucial for understanding the Ocean token's role. Data NFT represents the exclusive right to a data asset. It is a unique NFT minted by the data publisher who holds the copyright. Data token, a fungible ERC20 token that acts as an access key. To access a dataset or a compute service, a user must spend one data token. These data tokens are minted by the data NFT owner and can be sold on the open market. The role of the Ocean token utility. The Ocean token is the lifeblood of this ecosystem. Its utilities include medium of exchange. It is the primary currency for buying and selling data and services via data tokens on Ocean Market and other community marketplaces. Staking liquidity pools. Data publishers can create balancer pools to provide liquidity for their data tokens. They stake Ocean alongside their data tokens. Consumers buy data tokens from this pool, and fees from these transactions are distributed to stakers' liquidity providers. This mechanism helps price discovery and provides rewards. Governance. Ocean holders can stake tokens to vote on proposals that dictate the future development of the Ocean protocol, for example, fee structures, technical upgrades. This makes it a decentralized autonomous organization (DAO). Community rewards. The Ocean Protocol Foundation uses a portion of its treasury to reward community members who contribute to the ecosystem. For example, building tools, writing content, curating data. Tokenomics and key metrics. Token name Ocean. Network Ethereum ERC20. Total supply fixed at 1.41 billion Ocean. The supply is designed to be deflationary over the very long term. Circulating supply. As of early 2024, it's approximately 568 million Ocean. Inflation emissions. New Ocean is emitted as rewards for liquidity providers staking and for community projects. The emission rate is controlled by the Ocean DO. Deflationary mechanism. A portion of the transaction fees from the marketplace, for example, 0.1%, is burned, sent to a dead address, permanently removing those tokens from circulation. This burn counteracts inflation from emissions. The team and backers. Founders. The project was co-founded by Bruce Pond, a well-known figure in blockchain, also founder of BigchainDB, and Trent McConaughey, an AI researcher and entrepreneur. Backing. Ocean Protocol is backed by a strong team of engineers and researchers and has received funding and support from notable entities in the crypto and tech space, including Dex Labs, CMS Holdings, and the Moonwhale Ventures. Where to buy and store Ocean? Buy. Ocean is listed on major centralized exchanges CX like Binance, Kraken, Gate.io, and Crypto.com, and decentralized exchanges DEX like Uniswap and Balancer. Store. As an ERC20 token, it can be stored in any Ethereum-compatible wallet. Popular choices include hardware wallets, Ledger, Trezor Most Secure, software wallets, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, the Ocean Market Wallet, built into the marketplace for easy staking and trading. Strengths and opportunities. Real-world utility solves a massive, tangible problem in the AI and big data industry. Innovative technology compute-to-data is a unique and powerful privacy-preserving solution. Strong vision and team, experienced founders with a clear, long-term vision. Growing ecosystem. Active development of new marketplaces and integrations. Challenges and risks. Adoption hurdle. Convincing large corporations to share their data on a decentralized network is a significant challenge. Competition. Faces competition from other data-related projects, for example, Graph, Fetch.ai, and traditional centralized data brokers. Regulatory uncertainty. The regulatory landscape for data and DeFi is still evolving and could impact the project. Market volatility. Like all cryptocurrencies, its price is subject to high volatility based on broader market sentiment. Conclusion. Ocean is more than a currency, it's the key to a decentralized data economy. Its value is directly tied to the adoption and usage of the Ocean Protocol network. If Ocean succeeds in its mission to become the primary marketplace for AI data, the demand for Ocean tokens for staking, buying data and governance could increase significantly. However, it is a complex project in a highly competitive and regulated field. Its success is not guaranteed and depends on widespread adoption by data providers and consumers. Disclaimer: this information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research, DIY or before investing in any cryptocurrency.